The EVGA Z15 is the best budget mechanical keyboard we've tested. Despite its low price, this full-size board includes features found on higher-end boards, such as onboard memory, dedicated media keys, and the ability to assign macros to any key. It's also very well made, with a brushed metal backplate that feels very sturdy. It also has excellent RGB lighting, and all keys are individually illuminated, making them very visible if you prefer to work in a dark environment. Surprisingly, it's also hot swappable, which means you can swap out the stock switches for any other switches you want without soldering. It includes a wrist rest, but it's made of hard plastic, which you may find uncomfortable. Having said that, if you want premium features, this is an excellent board. The Obinslab Anne Pro 2 is the best compact mechanical keyboard we've tested. Compact sizes are becoming more popular, particularly among gamers who may not require as many keys and users with limited desk space. This is a small 60% gaming keyboard that feels well made and has a stylish design that will fit into most setups. You can connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth. But this is only recommended for productivity tasks and general browsing because it has significantly higher latency when used wirelessly. It also has low wired latency, full RGB backlighting with individually lit keys, and the ability to program macros to any of the keys using the customization software. Overall, this is a very versatile choice for gaming, productivity, or mobile use that won't take up much desk space. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro is the best mechanical keyboard we've tested. If you're searching for a wireless option, it pairs with up to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth, which is fantastic if you're looking for a keyboard to add to a multi-device work or streaming arrangement. The board features 2 incline settings for increased comfort, as well as a detachable, plushy wrist rest for added support. The companion software is simple to use and allows you to set macros to any key, while also allowing you to adjust the RGB lights. Only Windows users can use the app. However, it has onboard memory. So if you're using a Mac device, you'll be able to retrieve your saved settings on the board, even if you switch devices. If you're looking for a wireless gaming option, this is the best mechanical keyboard. If you're searching for the best mechanical keyboard with an ergonomic design, the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB is a great option. It features a split design that may take some getting used to, but you may position either half on your desk at the angle and distance that you like. A comfortable detachable wrist rest is included on both halves to avoid wrist fatigue. This keyboard is great for the workplace and productivity, but it also offers a few gaming features like full RGB backlighting, macro programmable keys, and dedicated customization software. In comparison to similar keyboards, it also boasts a reduced latency. This is an excellent ergonomic choice for anyone looking for a mechanical keyboard that can handle both productivity and gaming demands. The Ducky One 2 is an excellent pick if you're looking for the best mechanical keyboard for typing. It's a simple mechanical keyboard that comes in a variety of sizes, from full size to 60% small. It comes in a variety of color schemes and switches kinds. And regardless of how you configure it, each keyboard has the same set of winning characteristics at its core. The double-shot PBT keycaps on this keyboard improve typing quality and feel excellent to the touch. The keys are also largely stable and well-spaced, so you shouldn't have any trouble with an extraordinary number of keystrokes while typing. This keyboard offers 2 incline levels, so you may change the tilt to your preference in terms of ergonomics. However, it doesn't come with a wrist rest. It's one of the best mechanical keyboards we've tried, and it's an excellent choice for serious typists. We found the SteelSeries Apex Pro to be the best full-size mechanical keyboard for gaming. The full-sized model with a numpad is the one we bought and tested. But it's also available in 10-keyless style, so you can get it as the best mechanical TKL keyboard if you like. This keyboard is crammed with features that cater to a serious gaming community, regardless of the size variant you choose. You can modify the pre-travel distance for each key separately, which is a feature that sets this keyboard different. You can change the keys to a lower position for a more responsive gaming experience, or a higher position for improved typing accuracy. The best full-size mechanical keyboard for gaming, this is your best bet.